Here we come to the elevator at Adventures of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. Uses a forward lifts. How good we got the glass one coming. All right, here we go. Go to 12. That's cool.
Deck 12.
Let's go to 1.
Deck 10.
How about 4?
4.
4.
Where am I going? What floor do I go to lose my money?
Oh, that's the 4th floor.
Exactly, that's where I'm going.
Deck 4.
Have fun. That one don't light up either.
Deck 1.
The loading deck. Good. 5. We got stars and space, planets.
Deck 5.